Hello everyone, just a quick little video here. This is overclocking my GSkill 2x32 gigabyte kit, 64 gigabytes, DDR5 6000 to 6600 with Titan timings. Just gonna run you through it real quick. No need to spend an hour telling you a bunch of nonsense. I know what you want to know. So let's get to it. Cast latency, see right here. I'm just going to go through it real quick so you can see everything. Here's the setting: 30, 38, 38, 38, 56, DRAM raster delay, long 8, short 4, cycle time 2, 400, cycle time same bank 300, 6, 5, 5, 3, 6, refresh interval, 12 read to pre, 4 act time, 20. These are different, they have different terms for this in AMD chips, so might want to check around for that. Write to read delay 6. I think that might be it actually. Yeah, that is it for that. So let's get you to, those are just the timings. See the settings here. So this is the 14900 KS, by the way, and this is stock timings are 30, 40, 40, 96 at 1.4V. Stuff runs hot, so you better have something set up to cool it for this, because it's not going to go well if you don't. So yeah, I actually cut this fan out, the edges on both sides, so I can put it behind my lighting. None of my lighting's on right now because I'm in BIOS. But stays around 45 in ANTA 777 Extreme for an hour, stable in ADA 64, Windows memory test, and mem test. So yeah, solid. So I mean, those are pretty solid. Oops, pretty solid settings. Get out of there. So we're at DDR5 6000. You can see here, and again, I was actually surprised that it did the frequency. What is it? Timings. I was surprised that I got it to do, what was it, 56? I didn't think I was going to be able to get that RAS to act time of 56 on 32 gigabyte sticks, but hey man, I'll take it. I might tighten these up a tiny bit more, but this is a pretty dang good place to start from, I think. And disclaimer, I know just enough to get myself in trouble, so don't blame me if you blow anything up. So Tweaker's Paradise, we're going to go into Tweaker's Paradise over here for some voltages and check it out. Anything else you need, it's going to be down here. So I'm going to be overclocking the CPU next, so don't worry about that core voltage. So we got system agent 1.25, CPU input voltage at 2, DRAM VDD and VDD-Q at 1.47, and yes, it does require 1.47. At 1.46, it was not stable. Advanced memory voltages, IVR transmitter, memory controller 1.35, and yes, that's what it's not. That's it. I tried to squeeze it lower, and it was getting unstable on me. Hey, it depends on your motherboard, right? We go 1.9 for the hub, VLDO 1.8, and DRAM VPP is at 1.9, and well, there you go, guys and girls. 6000 at 6600 with some nice timings, and enjoy.